Good morning. It's another day at my site. Yesterday we didn't come in because I think my son has knocked himself, so he was about to cry. The other day, when is today? Today is Thursday. So on Tuesday it rained heavily, and we could not get the lorry that was carrying hardcore to come in. So yesterday there was no hardcore, so nothing could go on at the site. I don't like explaining things because I go blank. I don't know why I go blank, but yeah, that's the situation. So now the hardcore was brought in yesterday, but late in the afternoon. So work has commenced today, and let me show you what's going on. Like I said, it rained heavily on Tuesday, so this last place was not filled with the sand, and that's what he's doing, filling that. Now let me show you the hardcore. It's actually something you've ever seen before. You just didn't know it was called like that. That's if you are not in the construction industry. This is hardcore. I told you, it's basically stones broken into small pieces. Yeah. But now that's why we had to fill this with the sand first, because if we had left it like that, we will be buying this, like a lot of the hardcore to fill in, so as to help with the slab. There is where the hardcore was dropped. Yeah, so I think that's what will be going on today. I hope they can finish today so that they can start on the slab tomorrow. But the fact that yesterday there was no work going on at the site means we'll probably not be able to finish this today, because it actually looks like it's not a lot of work, but it is a lot of work. My son is crying for attention, but I have to finish this up before I carry him. So you see what's going on. Apparently, the engineer has said that this has to be done because of the kind of soil we have. So wanaigonga gonga English imepotea. Wanaigonga gonga so that it becomes compact at least before they continue putting the hardcore. So that's what is happening. It's actually kazi mingi. Watu wa mjengo unafaa kuwaheshimu, because what is in the sacks are these stones. So now they're using the stones to like hit the ground so that the soil becomes compact. That is where I live. There is my architect, a very young guy. Yeah, kazi for the youth, right? Since African government wants to give jobs to the old people, we the young people are giving jobs to the young people, right? Let me stop politicking.